Why don't seniors on Medicare play hide and seek at the grocery store? Because good luck hiding when your grocery allowance will only buy you half a can of peas. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on grocery allowance for seniors on Medicare. Tip 1. Plan your meals. One of the most effective ways to save money on groceries is by creating a meal plan every week. This practice will help you know what you need and avoid impulse purchases. Include diverse and healthy food options that cater to your nutritional needs. Tip 2. Use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of coupons, sales and discounts offered by grocery stores. Many stores offer a senior discount day once a week or month. Always check store flyers and online promotions to pad your savings. Tip 3. Opt for store brands. Store brands often provide the same quality as name brands but at a lower cost. Don't fall into the trap of buying expensive brands when you can have the same product for less. Tip 4. Buy in bulk. For products that you use frequently, buying in bulk can save a significant amount of money. Canned goods, paper products and pantry staples often have lower prices when bought in bulk. Tip 5. Opt for fresh produce. Fresh fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and healthier than pre-packaged or frozen options. Take advantage of seasonal produce, which is usually inexpensive. Tip 6. Freeze leftovers. By freezing leftovers, you can extend the usage of your groceries and reduce waste. It can also save you from having to prepare a meal from scratch every day. Tip 7. Limit processed food. Processed foods are often expensive and less healthy compared to fresh food. Cutting them from your grocery list can save money and keep you healthier. Tip 8. Manage your transportation. If possible, try to walk or use public transport to the grocery store to save on gas money. If you need to drive, consider carpooling with a neighbor or family member. Tip 9. Shop online. Online shopping can sometimes provide cheaper prices compared to physical stores. Plus, you get the convenience of having groceries delivered to your doorstep. Tip 10. Plan for small treats. Strict budgeting can lead to dissatisfaction and make you more inclined to splurge. So, allocate a small part of your budget for small treats. This can boost your morale and help stick to your budget. Tip 11. Grow your own produce. This tip requires some effort and space, but growing your own fruits, vegetables and herbs can save you a good deal of money. It's also a great way to ensure you're eating fresh and organic produce.